On the southern side of Mount Mahameru, aka Sumeru, there are two mountains of Kailash and Karavira. The abode of Sri Shiva is on Mount Kailash. Mountain Manaka stands to the north of Kailash. King Sagara, with his two queens, once went to Kailash for penance. It was on the Kailash that Bhagirath performed penance to propitiate Sri Shiva to bring down river Ganga. Kailash is 100 yojanas high. The Devas come to this place daily and return. In the place on Kailash, there live a large number of yaksas, demigods, rakshasas, giants, kinnaras, heavenly musicians, garudas, hawks, matangas, elephants, and gandharvas, semi-gods. The lake of lotus of Kubera, which was reached by Bhimasena once, was in Kailash. The Pandavas visited Kailash during their forest life. Jambudvipa has a length of 100,000 yojanas. The island is round like a lotus flower. There are 8 long mountain ranges which divide the island into 9 countries, which look like 9 petals of the lotus flower. Each of these 9 countries has a width of 9,000 yojanas. The 2 countries of the north and south extremities are bow-shaped. The central country is square in shape. This country is known as Ilavrta, at the center of which there is the mountain called Sumeru, also known as Mahameru, with a height of 100,000 yojanas. * total height, below and above the surface. This is called Swarnaparvata, the mountain of gold. On the southern part of Ilavrta, there are the 3 mountains. Starting from Mahameru, first Nisadha, then Himakuta and finally, the Himalaya. All 3 mountains are 10,000 yojanas high. They are in higher dimensions like in a tesseract. The mountain Malyavan lies to the west and Gandhamadana to the east of Ilavrta. At the foot of Mount Mahameru, there are the mountains of Mandara, Meru, Suparshavaka, Kumuda and many others. 4 heavenly parks known as Nandana, Kitraratha, Vaibharaja and Sarvabhadraka. A river is formed there, by the juice oozing from the fallen mango fruits. The river is purple colored and is called Aruna Nadi, River Aruna. The goddess named Aruna lives here. The famous Jambu tree is in this Jambudvipa. Devi Bhagavata, Skanda 8. Kailash is situated between Mahameru and Nisadha mountain. Starting from Ayodhya, first comes Himalaya, Himavan, then comes Himakuta, then comes Nisadha and finally, comes Kailash. 1 yojana equals 12 kilometers. Mount Mahameru has a height of 84,000 yojanas above the ground, and 16,000 yojanas below the ground, forming the root of the mountain. The mountain's width is 32,000 yojanas at its summit and 16,000 yojanas at its base. Starting at the southernmost part of Bharatvarsha country, to the beginning of the Great Himavata or Himalaya, the distance was 9,000 yojanas, at that time. After crossing Bharatvarsha, one had to cross the Himavata, Himalaya, mountain which was 2,000 yojanas wide, 80,000 yojanas in length. After crossing Himalaya, one had to cross the second country of Kimpurusha Varsha, which stretched to 9,000 yojanas. After crossing Kimpurusha Varsha country, one had to cross the second mountain of Himakuta which was 2,000 yojanas wide, 90,000 yojanas in length. After crossing Himakuta mountain, one had to cross the third country of Harivarsha which stretched to 9,000 yojanas. After crossing Harivarsha country, one had to cross the third mountain of Nishadha which stretched to 2,000 yojanas, 100,000 yojanas in length. After crossing Nishadha mountain, one had to travel a distance of a few thousand yojanas to reach Kailash. Meaning, 9,000 plus 2,000 plus 9,000 plus 2,000 plus 9,000 plus 2,000 equals 33,000 yojanas plus few thousand yojanas. After Kailash, it's a few thousand yojanas to Mahameru. Distance between Nishadha mountain and the base of Mahameru was 9,000 yojanas. Thus, the distance from the southern shore of Bharatvarsha to the foot of Mount Mahameru was 33,000 plus 9,000 equals 42,000 yojanas. The Mahameru mountain's width was 16,000 yojanas at its base, meaning 8,000 when halved. Thus, the distance from the southernmost point of Bharat to the very center of Mount Mahameru was 42,000 plus 8,000 equals 50,000 yojanas, which is exactly half the diameter of Jambudvipa continent on the earth. Mandara Parvata, Mandarachala, mountain, one of the 4 supporting pillars of Mahameru, rises up to 10,000 yojanas and also goes down to 10,000 yojanas. This mountain is situated near Kailash. It was this mountain that was used as the manta, churning stick, when the milk ocean was churned. The mountain of Malyavan in the west and the mountain of Gandhamadana in the east are as long as the mountain of Nilgiri in the north and the mountain of Nisadha in the south. As Ilavrata country was square in shape. Mount Mahameru, shaped like an earring, stands in the middle of these 4 mountains. Sri Vishnu Purana, Amsa 2, Chapter 21. Manidvipa is the abode of Sri Parvati Devi. Sri Parvati Devi resides in this island which is far beyond Kailash. Sri Devi Parvati resides in the mount of Munjavan in Kailash with Sri Paramashiva. There is a mount called Munjavan in the Himalayas. Bhagavan Umapati, Sri Shiva, shines there on tree tops, underneath the trees, on the mounts and in caves. Hiranyashragam is an extensive mountain to the north of Mount Manaka, which is to the north of Mount Kailash. This mountain is said to be a mine of gems. Mayasura, the architect of demons, went to the mountain Manaka where in the pool called Bindu he had stored a large quantity of gold and gems. Mayasura brought those materials as also a conch called Devaditta from there and built the most beautiful palace in the world at Indraprastha.